For TCP's Ecolite Th200 lighting tower, please read the 6 S's on the side of the machine. When the Ecolite Th200 is delivered to your site, the operator keys will be inserted into the main switching control panel. These keys also fit the padlocks on each of the cage lids. When opening the cage lids, they should be opened as far as possible for the security latch to engage to prevent possible injury. Before using the equipment, please refer to the operator manual, which is located on the underside of the black security cage lid, sealed in a clear plastic tube. You will also find inside the tube a spare key and spare O-rings for the regulators. Release the security safety latch to close the lid. The craning point, known as the lifting eye, is located on the lifting frame in between the 2 cage lids at the top of the unit. Forklift pockets are also located on either side of the lifting frame. There are 4 tie-down points located on the bottom of each corner of the unit. Release the handbrake and position the light tower to your desired location. Secure the handbrake to engage the brake and then make the tower stable by use of the outriggers located at the bottom on each corner of the tower. For fine levelling, spirit levels can be found on the drawbar next to the handbrake. Also note the battery isolator. This must be on for the unit to work. TCP offer a fully managed gas service. However, if you are exchanging your own gas, please follow this procedure. If you ordered gas, the machine will be delivered with 4 full Genie gas cylinders. You will find the regulators on the inside part of the gas cage. Remove it from its holder and first check the O-ring for damage or dirt. When the gas cylinders are in place, you must first attach the regulator via the knurled ring anti-clockwise. Then attach the colour-coded host corresponding to the colour code. Ensure connections are secured hand-tight and carefully turn on each individually using each gas valve for each cylinder. Switch on the 4 colour-coded taps. Now spray all joints with a leak detector solution provided to check for any leaks, and if it bubbles, switch off the cylinders immediately. When replacement is required, switch the 4 colour-coded isolation valves to off, position 9 o'clock, located on the manifold block. You must then isolate all gas cylinders by turning the gas valve on top of the cylinder by rotating clockwise fully. All brass connections are left-handed threads. The regulator is released from the cylinder via the large knurled ring by turning clockwise. Then release the tri-hand lock on the top of the bracket and lift the bracket onto the supporting holder on the underside of the black cage. Lift out each cylinder one by one in 2 stages. Firstly, lift onto the metal plate and then onto the ground. Place the cylinder back into the machine in 2 stages. Replace the bracket and tri-hand lock. This is now ready for travel position. Once in a secure position, it is time to position the lamps. To operate the lights, turn the key to the unlock position to the right and press A on the rocker switch. This will set your lights to come on automatically on the dusk till dawn sensor. Pushing the rocker switch to M puts the lights on manual, so you will need to push the power button to turn the lights on manually. The lamps are fully adjustable in and around 3 axis and can be moved and positioned manually. Lights can be rotated on the mast axis. To elevate the mast, first check the handbrake is up. Then you need to turn the key on the control panel to unlock and then use the rocker switch to elevate the mast. To deactivate, switch the key back to lock. To achieve desired height, first fully extend and then retract to your preferred height. Putting the handbrake down triggers the mast to go down. This is part of TCP's AMOS system, Automatic Mast Operating System. To stow the tower for towing, repeat the process to turn off the gas, removing the regulators and secure them under the caged hood. Close the cage down and lock it with the padlock. Turn the key to lock and remove it. Ensure the outriggers are stowed away . Connect the eco light to the trailer and finally check rear lights and the machine.